Hi guys, welcome to another day of science. So today we're going to do the triangle pyramid. So in your packet you have a paper that says triangle pyramid like this. And then you also have a page that has a whole bunch of triangles on it. Yours looks like this. Yours are not blue. Mine are blue, so you can kind of see them a little bit better and a little different. So these triangles, these two pages, you're going to cut them out and then cut out each triangle. And then it's kind of a little bit tricky. So what you're going to do is you're going to make sure each triangle, when you glue it down, okay, only the top corner is glued down. So you can see I can lift this all the way up and it can come down. So the best way I found to do this is take your first triangle, take that one, and put a piece of tape up at the very top. And then do your second triangle, put a piece of tape that one right on top of the other. So, and then same with your third and then your fourth. So I have a little piece of tape, it's clear tape so you can't see it right here, that holds all of my triangles on, and I taped each one separately. If you don't, then one of these later on can kind of slide out and fall out. All right, so the triangle pyramid. So we have learned that organisms in an ecosystem are kind of grouped or categorized based on their role in an ecosystem, based on what they consume and how they get their food. So that is kind of what we've made here is our trophic pyramid. So we have our first level, right? Producers. What you need to do is you need to research and find 3 different producers. And you're going to write down each producer and then why that producer is important. For example, one could be grass. So you can't use grass because I'm telling you this one. So you could say grass is a producer. And then you could say grass's role, in the ecosystem. So what does grass do? Well, there's quite a few animals that actually eat and rely on grass. So then that's right here. You would say, what animals eat grass and rely on grass? And grass's purpose, and also grass is a plant, right, which helps clean our air, which is a huge purpose for us. So you're going to do 3 producers. You need to do 2 primary consumers. Remember, make sure they're primary consumers. All primary consumers are herbivores, meaning they eat plants. So make sure it's a primary consumer that it only eats plants. Here we have our secondary consumers, and then you need to do 2 secondary consumers. And then you need to do 1 tertiary consumer. So that's kind of like the top dog or the one at the top of the food chain. So here we have 1 tertiary consumer. You're going to list it and then tell me its role and purpose. Then you're going to have 2 secondary consumers. Remember, secondary consumers, these are the ones that will eat primary consumers and or producers as well. But secondary consumers, are going to be carnivores or omnivores, meaning they eat meat. And then primary consumers, you need to have 2 of those, and then 3 producers and their importance. That is your assignment for the triangle pyramid. Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye.